Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Good morning. I'm actually editing and putting up Vlogmas from the last set of vlogs right now, because I got lazy last night and I didn't do it, but that's okay, because nobody's perfect. And I'm going to go make the thumbnail now as well. I've got my bagel here. It's like my favorite. Cinnamon raisin bagels are the best. You just can't beat them. Sorry. Alright, so we're going to Target. You know, eventually, you know, whenever your maps thing pops up and it like thinks it knows where you're going, it's gonna be like 5 minutes to Target or something like that, or like to Aldi. But we are headed to Target for something for my grandma, so it's not for me this time.
Just this time.
This time only. So we're at that point in the day where I haven't vlogged a lot. Like much at all, really.
What'd you do that for?
Because we went to Grand's and then I kind of forgot.
Oh.
But we have decided, like, today was the day we sat down and we figured out what we were making for, like, the 2 Christmases that we're going to, essentially. So we'll be making just box stuffing because I don't want to make I don't want to buy 5 loaves of bread.
No, not really.
And cut that all up. Anyways, it's not really 5, but like 2, 3.
Regardless.
I don't want to have to cut the bread, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And I like the box stuffing. Anywho. Oh, it's very dark. You can't even see this. This is fine. Everything's fine. Oh, and then we're making corn pudding, because I always make corn pudding at holidays that we like get together, because I love corn pudding. It's amazing. And I'm gonna retry the molasses spice cookies because I burnt them to a crisp. To really rocks, actually.
I still ate them.
Just rocks. We need to just get rid of them.
I ate some.
And I'm also making 2 types of snickerdoodles. I'm making like regular snickerdoodles, and I'm gonna try to make keto snickerdoodles. So we got this stuff for that today. Oh, and I'm making this holiday punch, because my brother loves it. It's just like, it's like Welch's sparkling holiday punch or something like that. And right now we're going to dinner. We're gonna eat roasters. I'm super excited.
And this Kentucky loss.
Yeah, get over this dumb loss. This baloney.
It was not a good day.
I couldn't film during that because I got very agitated. And I also took a nap, so...
Yeah, but you only slept for a little bit of...
Mm-hmm. I mainly slept for halftime.
Mm-hmm.
And... Let's see what it... Oh, and then I played Mario and Jacob took a nap.
Yeah, I need to take a nap after that game.
Yeah. And it didn't help that we stayed up till like 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then got up at like 8:30. No, well, I got up at 9. You got up at 8:20.
Yeah, and then I went to the gym.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah. And Roosters is like a chicken restaurant. Like a Hooters or Cluckers or Wings.
Way better than Hooters.
Or B-Dubs.
Better than B-Dubs.
Yeah, we really like Roosters a lot. Let's see here. I was gonna say something else and I don't... Oh, and we also realized that, well, Jacob's gonna be watching his nephew Wednesday, but I'll be at work basically the whole time that he's there that day. And then I have a dentist appointment, so. But we should get to watch him tomorrow, although Jacob will primarily be watching him because I have to work.
You'll see him the majority of the time.
I'll see him probably a solid amount of the time.
We're going to a bonfire.
Yeah.
So.
But, yeah. Super fun stuff going on here. Honestly. Oh, Roosters looks packed. Oh, wait. I can never tell if Roosters is actually packed or if the Honda lot next to it is what I'm seeing. But yeah. That's my update. That's my 3-minute, 35-second update. Yeah.
It's not packed.
Okay, so I wore the NARS foundation. Well, I wore the NARS foundation again yesterday. But I wore it again today. I don't think it looks terrible. It's kind of, I don't know if you'll really be able to tell.
but it's kind of like catching on my pores a little, and it is my smile, and it's wore off a little bit, but overall, like far away, I don't think it looks too bad, like at all. I'm actually quite like it. Okay guys, good morning if you're watching this morning, or whenever you're watching this. I just got out of the shower, obviously, and I got dressed and did skincare. I'm not gonna get myself ready today, really. I might put some color corrector on, but that will be it. I did have to go to work today, only 2 to 6, so it's not that bad. I'm sorry, I'm changing our countdown thing to say 5 days to Christmas. I think I have to use the other dice because this one doesn't have. Yeah, there's the 5. I think I ended up showing you all the 2, but the 5 is right there. So just putting these back in. Today we need to go to Aldi. So I need to finish making the list because I didn't finish doing that yesterday. We're getting things for the holidays. Like I said, I told you all what we were gonna make. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. I might go ahead and put color corrector on because it'll look a little crazy. A little crazy. Okay, so we are at Aldi. I got my quota and we got our list. We're going in. Going in. Going in deep.
Nobody's here.
Nobody's here. Alright, we just finished at Aldi. Now we're gonna run to Target because we need like a couple other things that they didn't have at Aldi, or they were out of. Alright, so I just wanted to show you this thing that we got at Target real fast. It's for our gift wrap, so we can take it out of the literally vacuum box that we have everything right now. So I'm pretty excited about this. It was $9. Regularly 10. It was a whole 99 cents off. What a deal. What a steal. Okay, so it's almost 1:30 now. I'm about to head to work. Jacob's watching basketball. And he's gonna go whenever I leave to get my gifts to bring him here to wrap them. And later on we should be watching our nephew. I probably won't like vlog whenever he's here because that's just weird.
Whatever makes you happy.
But yeah, that's our check-in. I need to go put work clothes on eventually, sometime. We're also having steak for dinner, so I've got that marinating. If you want to see how I marinated, I did like a cook with me or like weeknight meals or something, and it was in one of those. So. Okay, so it's like a little after 7. I'm about to leave for work. Or till like 1:30 today, I think. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's the way we're starting off. I feel like this set of vlogs gonna be really short. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah. Here we are. Okay, so I'm home now. It looks like we're twinning because we both have green shirts on. We're not, I swear.
We're not.
Promise.
Mine's cooler.
No, it's not.
Mine is Yoda.
Mine used to make sound.
Mine's Yoda.
Anyways, I'm making, well, Jacob just had an eggy hole. I'm making mine now. Super excited to eat. Do we see the squirrel just like sitting, eating? It's so cute. It's so random. If anybody's wondering, Jacob's in a bad mood.
I'm not in a bad mood.
You're in a serious bad mood in Target. Who can be mad in Target?
No, it's because we went in there for lunch and we didn't establish if we were getting something that we each wanted or something individually. So then we went up and down 3 aisles trying to find something.
Okay, so this is what we're having for dinner. Don't think it stinks because Jacob doesn't really like broccoli.
I didn't even mean to, and I really didn't get that much broccoli.
No, you didn't. This is the recipe. I got it off of Pinterest. The only thing I didn't add is I didn't add shredded carrots because honestly I didn't see that it called for shredded carrots. And I added cornstarch to make the sauce thicker because it was a really thin sauce and I wanted more to stick to the noodles. But it was really easy. Coyote, baby. And we used the steak that we had last night, like the leftover one, because the pack came with 3, and we had one left over. I gotta go before Jacob has a freak attack on the dog. I you doing, Jacob? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. You were literally at the end.
I don't remember the jump out of that. I didn't start out with anything! Where's my ventilator? My position.
He says you can't. I'm stealth. Dan, the definition. Frankie, I don't know if we said this in a vlog or shouldn't in a vlog. Coyote's over there eating. I think you can see his little white patch, like right there. Frankie, when Frankie is finished, he will sit. And he won't look around the corner. He will literally sit right up on the door or the wall or something and wait. And the second Coyote is finished and like walks away, he books it right around that corner, like real close to the edge. It's so funny. Oh, he's ridiculous. Frankie, you're goofy. Hi, Frankie. So Frankie's not gonna let Jacob be in the vlog.
Oh, he's not, huh?
No.
He's not, huh?
Frankie say no. Open, there's Coyote. Okay, wow. So much.
All the boys.
Hey.
Get up here, Frankie.
I'm so sleepy. I don't know about you.
No, I'm fine.
I'm so tired. So, oh my goodness. So, so I'm gonna go and edit this and upload it. But stay tuned for the next set of vlogs. It'll be the 22nd and the 23rd, I believe, and then the 24th and 25th will go up together. Frankie, you're being so extra. That is all. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.